Guys, we have J'adore. We have a bunch of slimes. I think slime is making a comeback, guys. So we have a bunch of different slimes and putties, and I'm going to unbox all of them because I was an OG slime girl back in, what, 2016? So very excited. Okay, let's start with blueberry muffin scented putty. She's looking cute. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh, that looks kind of crazy. Okay, it's nice and soft. I'm not a big fan of like the sticky, like super jiggly. Like I think I like putty more than slime. Oh. That smells really good. Not blueberry muffin, it smells more sweet. It smells like a lolly. Ooh, she's hard though, nice and firm. Do a stretch. Oh, okay, you gotta do a slow stretch. Let me just get back into it. Yeah, whoa. Very putty, guys. Okay, next. Clear slime with add-ins. Oh, there's add-ins. Surf's Up, tiny flower scented. Very cute. Okay, she's very clear. Ooh, a little bit stickier than the putty. My little sisters would be like living if they get to do this. They're all little surfboards. Get out of the way, guys. Yeah, this is pretty good. Ooh, oh, it's a little bit sticky though. Ooh, it's kind of like, I think the vision is like, it's like ocean. Oh my God. Can you see the surfboards? It looks really nice though. Like it's really pretty. I could get lost in this. Like, sorry, that looks really good. Next. Okay, let's do 24 karat gold putty. Okay, that looks a little bit scary. When you look closely, it's like very sparkly. Okay. Oh, this one's really hard. Wow, okay, very gold. Let me do like a little pull. Slow pull. Wow. Pretty gold, very pretty. Rate her a 2. So, fluffy cookie crumble scented cloud slime. Cookie crumble scented cloud slime. It better smell good. Also cloud slime, it's like super fluffy, right? Ooh, okay. It's looking fluffy. Very sweet. Not cookie crumbly though. It's kind of like a cookie crumble soap, like a sweet soap. That's wild. That's really sticky. Oh my God, okay. You have to like knead it to get the sticky out. Ooh, it's kind of nice though. This one's kind of nice. It's a weird color though. I don't know if I'm with the yellow, but this one's pretty good. This is a pretty good slime. Last one, Cotton Candy Crush. I'm guessing it's just gonna smell really sweet, but it'll probably be the same texture as the other fluffy slime. Oh no, it's not fluffy, glossy. Okay, very shiny. Kind of a pretty color. It's a little bit like translucent. Ooh, this one could be my fave. That's nice. It's like a nice texture and it's not super sticky and jiggly. It's a bit wet, but like really nice. It's like a cross between like cleaning products and Play-Doh. Not bad. I don't think I'd go out of my way to smell it, but very nice. Ooh, this one's my fave. This one's nice. The more you knead it, the firmer it gets, but this is pretty good. Okay guys, that is all of our slimes. I'm actually gonna rate them because I can. My fave, this diva for sure. Next would be Clear because it looked really nice. The mix-ins were kind of fun. And then this one, color was a little bit weird, but I loved the texture. And then I'm gonna go Purple. She smelled really nice, but it's just a bit harder. And then 24 karat gold putty. Like you were pretty, but really hard. So that's the slimes, guys. We stock these all at CB, in-store and online. Go and check them out. Okay, bye.